Howdy, I'm Jason with Off-Road Wizard, and today we are going to take this body and put it onto this frame here. I have my lovely assistant, Dylan, again. Anyway, we got to take this thing off of the stands that it's on and put them on the four-wheel dollies, get this thing off the lift, wheel everything over, and then use the lift to put it on. So that's what's on store for today. Stay tuned. All right, so just so we know here, this is the tricky part. So this is the intake, which has to go in that hole right there. So we have to actually go backwards, go down, then kind of come forward, and then I got to connect in the rubber hose to connect the air cleaner to the air cleaner box, I guess. So anyway, that's the part that's going to be planted button right now. And then we also will probably hit the tires right here. So these will come down. So it's a bit of a kind of a thing. Yeah, it's a giant pain in the butt. I exaggerate. It's a pain in the butt. So this is what I'm talking about. You can see the distance between the intake and the firewall, and then once we get into the hole, once I get down far enough, then we shove the body forward. We will clear the tires, which are very close right now, and everything kind of just squeezes in. These cables here are for the triple shifter, for the MP203, 205, and they actually have to go into that right there. So I got to do that. Almost forgot. So we're going to connect up the steering. So there's where the steering comes in at. There's where it connects to there. This will make it easiest for us to steer this thing and maneuver it around the shop. So we got to move it real quick. All right, so the body is on. That is a huge step in the saga of building something, getting those two pieces married together. So next, we adapt a set of heated, cooled power seats to this thing. I'll show you how we go ahead and do that. You pretty much take it from any vehicle and adapt it into whatever you've got. So stay tuned for that. So if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing, comment down below, hit the bell, and I will see you next week.